This is an oscillator circuit that was built by only using a relay. And by changing the value of the capacitors, we are able to increase or reduce the frequency. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an oscillator by just using a relay. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. But before we build this simple circuit, let's understand how a relay works. Relays are electronic components that are used for switching high loads with just little voltage. And so guys, inside a relay we have a coil and also we have contacts that are called normally closed and normally open. And so guys, as you can see in this diagram, we have a battery connected in series with the relay coil and also a switch. And on the other side, we have the load connected in series with the contacts of the relay and also with an AC power supply. And what's going on here is when the switch closes, it energizes the coil and the coil pulls the metal and pushes the contact to close. And when the contact closes, electricity flows from the power source to the lamp and turns on the lamp. And so guys, that's basically how a relay works. And so guys, how can you build an oscillator by using just a relay? Let's get into that right away. So this right here is a 12-volt relay that I salvaged from one of my voltage regulators. So this relay here has numbers on the contacts. And these numbers are used to indicate the coil and also the contacts. Number 2 and number 3 is the coil, and number 6 and the rest of the numbers are the contacts of the relay. So now guys, let's break open the relay so we can see what's going on the inside. Now that the casing of the relay has been taken away, now we can see what's on the inside. The contacts and also the coil. As you can see here, we have the contacts, the normally closed and normally open contact. So guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to connect any of the terminals of the normally closed contact with any of the terminals of the relay coil. And sorry guys, I forgot to add that the relay has a moving part which is called the COM that moves to connect itself with a normally closed and a normally open contact. So guys, as you have seen here in the diagram, we're gonna have to connect the COM to one of the coils, and the other end of the coil will be connected to a battery. And the end of the battery will be connected to the normally closed. And when that has been connected, you will hear a buzzing sound like this. So the reason why you're hearing this sound is because when voltage flows through the coil, it pushes the COM away from the NC. And when that happens, there will be no more voltage flowing through the coil because the circuit is now opened. And when that happens, a spring will push back the COM to its normal position. And then it repeats itself over and over again, and that's why we hear the buzzing sound. And during this time, the COM attaches itself to the normally open. But that's depending on the capacitor that we use. You see, without a capacitor, the COM will just move from the normally closed to just a short point and then return back to the normally closed. And so guys, by connecting a capacitor to the two ends of the relay coil, let's say a 1000 microfarad capacitor, the capacitor would take some time to charge and cause the COM to have a contact with the normally open. So now guys, we're gonna connect an LED and a battery in series with the COM and the normally open. So guys, let's connect that right away and see what happens. And so guys, as we hook up the power supply, the light just shows that it's really dim but doesn't turn on fully. But when we connect the 1000 microfarad capacitor, the light starts flickering. And so guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So now guys, we're going to change the capacitor and add in a 10 microfarad capacitor. Now let's see what happens. And as you can see here guys, the frequency changes when I add in the capacitor. So now we're going to add in a 2 microfarad capacitor. So guys, now we're going to use a 680 microfarad capacitor. And so guys, this is how a relay behaves if we connect a capacitor to the coils. So guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, stay creative, and stay safe. Goodbye.